Think you've seen it all in the kitchen? Think again. These crazy Amazon gadgets are about to flip your cooking routine upside down. From wild time savers to jaw-dropping tools you didn't know you needed, they'll totally change the way you cook in 2025. Get ready for smarter, faster, and way more fun meal prep. All product links are down in the description. Washing and drying greens just got a serious upgrade. This folding salad spinner uses a collapsible handle to quickly spin water off your fruits and veggies, leaving them crisp and ready to eat. When you're done, it folds down flat to save space in your kitchen. Lightweight and easy to use, it's perfect for quick meal prep or refreshing salads with zero hassle. Skip the tedious folding and get straight to the fun and delicious part. This metal dumpling mold lets you whip up 37 perfect Russian-style ravioli in one go. Just press, fill, seal, and you're done. It's sturdy, made from durable aluminum, and built to last through years of hearty meals. Cleanup's easy thanks to the smooth flat back. Whether it's family dinner or a feast with friends, you're making dumplings like a pro. Want crispy grilled cheese without the weight or mess? This microwave sandwich maker turns your microwave into a mini grill, heating both sides at once for golden, crunchy results. It's perfect for paninis, quesadillas, or reheating leftovers with a fresh grilled touch. Non-stick and dishwasher safe. Cleanup's a breeze. If you need quick, tasty meals with zero fuss, this is your new kitchen sidekick. Tired of lingering kitchen smoke or bathroom humidity? This duct blower fan pulls stale air out fast and keeps your space fresh. It connects directly to your ventilation pipe, helping remove odors, moisture, and heat with powerful airflow. Great for kitchens, bathrooms, or any area that needs better circulation. It's compact, efficient, and easy to install. Just hook it up and let the clean air roll in. Grocery hauls, office runs, or moving day, this folding cart can handle it all. With one push of a button, it pops open into a sturdy 2-level trolley, complete with a removable crate for extra storage. The aluminum and plastic build keeps it lightweight but super strong. When you're done, it folds flat in seconds. It's the kind of cart you didn't know you needed until everything suddenly got easier. Your tap water just got a tech upgrade. This clever faucet filter doesn't just purify, it also lights up with real-time info every time you use it. A built-in UV light powered by water flow enhances purification, while the display shows temperature and filter life, no batteries needed. It removes heavy metals, chlorine, and gunk with 13 layers of precision filtering. And with 13 adapters, it fits most sinks like a glove. Cracking pistachios just got way more fun. This kid-friendly sheller turns snack time into a hands-on activity with its easy hand crank and mess-free design. It separates shells cleanly without crushing the nuts inside, all while staying stable thanks to its non-slip base. Built from food-safe materials, it's safe for little hands and grown-ups too. Great for peanuts or pistachios, it makes shelling surprisingly satisfying. Need a serious cooking setup without taking over your kitchen? This 2-burner gas cooktop is compact, built-in, and perfect for apartments, RVs, or outdoor setups. The high-powered burners heat fast and evenly, so you can boil on one side and stir-fry on the other. With a sleek tempered glass surface and easy-turn knobs, it's as stylish as it is functional. Plus, it works with both natural gas and LPG for flexible use wherever you are. Craving soft serve at home? This 13-in-1 frozen treat maker does it all. Ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more, all at the touch of a button. Just load your ingredients, choose your program, and let it swirl or scoop your perfect pint. You can even go low-calorie, high-protein, or dairy-free with custom settings. It's fun for kids, a dream for adults, and cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Chopping veggies doesn't have to feel like a workout. This 4-in-1 electric cutter sets slices, dices, and minces with the push of a button. No cords, no hassle. It's compact, rechargeable, and perfect for everything from garlic and peppers to celery and meat. Just load your ingredients, press down, and let the stainless steel blades do the rest. It's the kind of kitchen shortcut you'll want to use every day. Who says you need power to roast like a pro? This wind-up stainless steel rotisserie kit turns your food automatically. No electricity, no batteries, just pure clever engineering. Use it on the grill, in the oven, or over an open flame for perfect slow-cooked meats, veggies, or even kebabs. It comes with a basket, flat cage, skewers, and a cooking mat so you're ready for any BBQ setup. Craving omelets on autopilot? This fully automatic egg machine does the frying, flipping, and separating for you. No mess, no fuss. Just load up to 50 eggs and let the machine take over. It cracks, cooks, and even separates the shells from the finished eggs with zero input from you. Designed with smart oil drainage and a clean, efficient system, it's perfect for high-volume kitchens. Breakfast has never been this hands-off. This isn't just a kitchen sink, it's a full-blown workstation. With a waterfall faucet, pull-down sprayer, built-in glass rinser, and even a soap dispenser. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. You can prep, wash, rinse, and drain all in one place, saving space and time. The temperature display runs without batteries and shows the water temp instantly in Fahrenheit. Messy hands? No problem. This touchless paper towel dispenser lets you wave and grab. No buttons, no knobs, no contact. It mounts anywhere in your kitchen and works with standard paper towels. Once you tear off what you need, it neatly retracts the rest back inside, keeping things clean and waste-free. It's the kind of gadget that makes everyday tasks feel just a little bit smarter. Laundry day just got a serious upgrade. This portable clothes dryer plugs right in. No setup, no fuss, and dries a shirt in as little as 15 minutes. It's compact enough for small spaces, but packed with smart features that do the thinking for you. With 8 different modes and a high-speed airflow, it even refreshes clothes without washing. From shirts to shoes, you stay ready without breaking a sweat. Tired of losing the remote between the cushions? This sofa organizer caddy keeps everything you need right by your side. It holds up to 4 drinks and has center slots for your phone, snacks, or whatever else usually disappears into couch limbo. The circular design fits most armrests and adds instant convenience without clutter. No more reaching, spilling, or searching. Just relax and enjoy your downtime. Washing windows just got way less risky and way more fun. This double-sided magnetic cleaner scrubs both sides of your window at once, saving you time and effort. Just grip the handle and glide. It's that easy. A smart safety tether keeps the outer piece securely attached to your wrist, so there's no chance of it falling. Perfect for high windows, apartments, or anyone who's done with streaks and smudges. Laundry day just got a serious upgrade. This portable clothes dryer plugs right in. No setup, no fuss, and dries a shirt in as little as 15 minutes. It's compact enough for small spaces, but packed with smart features that do the thinking for you. With 8 different modes and a high-speed airflow, it even refreshes clothes without washing. From shirts to shoes, you stay ready without breaking a sweat. If making 49 skewers in 5 minutes sounds impossible, this tool will prove you wrong. Just stack your meat, veggies, or fruit inside the box, run your knife through the guide slots, and pop in the sticks. Boom! Perfect kebabs with zero mess. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and makes prep way faster for parties or family BBQ nights. Once you try it, hand skewering feels like ancient history. Don't have space for a full-size dishwasher? This compact countertop model packs serious cleaning power into a portable frame. With a built-in water tank and 5 wash modes, including one just for fruits and veggies, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or even tiny homes. Just fill the tank, load your dishes, and let it handle the mess. It even air dries and uses high-temp water for a streak-free shine.